Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. So this is week 2 quiz assignment solutions. So these are completely our probable solutions guys. If there are any changes that come to our notice, definitely we will update that in the comment section. And if you feel there should be any solution change to be made, you can please give your opinion in the comment section guys. So valid one. So let's see the first question. So please watch the video till then, because if I make any changes you can be able to note that. So do watch full video without skipping. First one of the following 10 statements generates an error. Which one? So we have to give the number. So as per my observation, 10 statement is the one. So I am giving number 10 as the answer. Right? Now let's move on to the second question. Second one, consider the following lines of Python code. So they have given the list, X as a list. So we are making some changes for that. So they're asking, after the execution of the above code, what will be the respective values of x of 3, y of 1. So you can see here all these are common values here. So when I did this in the compiler, I have got the option as first option, x of 3 equals 723, y of 1 equals 43, u of 3 equals 723 again, w of 1 equals 357. So first one is the probable solution for second question. Next, moving on to the fourth one. Guys, in this video itself, I'm going to give the programming assignment solution as well, right? So third one, what is the value of second after executing the following lines? So for third question, so I will zoom this for you for your convenience. So you have to give the string in the double quotations only. So PEOATL. So PEOATL. So this is the string guys. Next, moving on to the final question. What is the value of list 1? Name of the list is list 1 after the following lines are executed, right? So for fourth question, so give the square brackets as per the rule. So 34 comma 23 comma 91 comma 78 comma 23 comma and again 91 comma, and the final one is 42 and closing this list with square bracket. So this is the answer for fourth question, probable solution. So friends, these are the quiz assignment solutions. Now let's move on to the programming assignment solutions, right? So this is the week 2 programming assignment solution. So they have given, so first code, first question, second one and third one. So we have to give, there should be 3 blocks of code. So guys, I will show you the code one by one. So please note it down. So guys, this is the code. So first code. So I'll zoom this. So def prime partition of M, if should be within this definition block, and this return false should be within the if one. Next, so I will draw this for your convenience. Oh, so it should be like this guys. So the second def should be straight to if, right? So this is the pattern. So you can pause the video guys, and here this is the final one. So here it should be straight to this second definition one, right? So I'm going to copy this code now and paste it here. Here you can get the clarity, right? So this is the code, guys. So now I'm going to execute this. So click on compile and run button. So guys, here you can see the status for the first three is passed. So actually this code is only for first three test cases. So that's why first three are only passed and the remaining are showing runtime error. Next I will show you the second code and third code individually. So if I give all the code within the single frame, you may be able to confuse that. So you'll get confused. So you can ignore this presentation error, no problem. So it is just a slash n extra. So not problem, because here it is showing passed, right? Passed after ignoring presentation error, so it's not a problem. Now we will show you the next code for the second one as well, right? So this is the second code, guys. So I'm copying this. I will show you in that compiler console. So I'm pasting the code here. So here you can see, I'll zoom this once. So this is the code, guys. So this is the code. So you can pause the video if you want. Now I'm going to click on submit and run. So I think it's better if I add next code as well, right? So please wait. So this is the third one, guys. This is the last code. So please follow carefully, guys. You may get errors if you don't follow the spaces and indentation mainly. So this is the last code, right? Now I'm clicking on compile and run button. Here you can see all the 9 test cases are passed, right? Here it is showing 9 by 9 passed, right? So all of our solutions, all these three codes are correct, right? And click on finally submit button. So here also it is showing all passed. So friends, these are the solutions and programming assignment solutions and quiz assignment solutions for week 2 syllabus assignment. So hope this video helpful for you. If you feel the same, please subscribe our channel, definitely like the video, and please share this with your friends and classmates, guys. So keep supporting us like this. So until the next video, goodbye, thank you.